Welcome to practice video on simple verb tenses. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb form in the appropriate tense. Present simple, past simple or future simple. First question. Reena blank tennis every weekend. Here every weekend is a habitual action. For habitual actions we use present simple. So play become plays. Reena plays tennis every weekend. Second question. Yesterday I blank a movie. Yesterday is past tense. So watch becomes watched. Yesterday I watched a movie. Third question. They blank to Paris next month. Next month is a future tense. It is in the simple future. So we use they will travel to Paris next month. The sun blank in the east every morning. So it's a universal fact. For universal facts we use simple present tense. So the sun rises in the east every morning. We blank for the exam last night. So last night means past tense. It's in a simple past. So study becomes studied. We studied for the exam last night. Question number 6. Last night she blank a book until midnight. Last night means it is in simple past tense. Read is spelled the same in both its past and present forms. Its pronunciation differs depending on the tense. In the simple past form, read is pronounced as read. So last night she read a book until midnight. Seventh question. By this time next year, I blank from university. So next year means future tense. So it is in simple future. By this time next year, I will graduate from university. Question number 8. The bus blank at 8 a.m. every morning. Every morning means it is a habitual action. So it doesn't change. It is in simple present. So arrive becomes arrives. The bus arrives at 8:30 a.m. every morning. Question number 9. They blank soccer in park yesterday. Yesterday means it is in simple past tense. So they played soccer in the park yesterday. My dog always blank in its place. Always means it's a habit. For habitual actions we use simple present tense. My dog always sleeps in its place. Question number 11. She blank her room every Saturday. Every Saturday means it's a habitual action. Simple present tense. She cleans her room every Saturday. Question number 12. Peter blank a new car last week. Last week means simple past tense. So Peter bought a new car last week. Question number 13. They blank lunch at the restaurant tomorrow. Tomorrow means it is in simple future tense. They will have lunch at the restaurant tomorrow. My family and I blank on vacation next summer. So next summer means it's in simple future. My family and I will go on vacation next summer. You blank my window glass yesterday. So yesterday means it is in simple past tense. You broke my window glass yesterday. Question number 16. In the future, robots blank most of the household chores. So it is in simple future. In future, robots will do most of the household chores. Question number 17. He blank a letter to his friend last week. So last week means is simple past tense. Write becomes wrote. He wrote a letter to his friend last week. Question number 18. We blank a picnic at the beach next weekend. So next weekend means it is in simple future. We will have a picnic at the beach next weekend. The dog blank loudly when someone knocks on the door. It's a habitual action. Simple present tense. The dog barks loudly when someone knocks on the door. Geeta was cooking when I blank to the office. Means was means it is in past tense. So simple past. Geeta was cooking when I went to office.